Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna go to a rummage sale. It's actually a church rummage sale. I just had it pop up on Facebook. I was out looking for yard sales. Been to a couple yard sales, definitely not good ones, but looks like there's already a lot of people here. So, let's see what we can find. Just in case you're new and haven't never seen one of my videos before, go to yard sales, thrift stores, looking for stuff to flip online, on eBay, mainly for profit. Train stuff. Hey, is it okay if I set something over here? The pile or something?
No, I wouldn't do that because people are going to come up here to eat.
Where can I sit something at? I can reserve.
Take it over there and take it over there.
I just don't want to walk around with this. Yeah. Can I put it right here for now? Thank you. I appreciate it. You're good. Sorry. You're good. Robin Roderick cupcake cookie jar.
Oh, where you all at? Did you all look this morning and see if there's anything there by the women's club? I just wondered. I didn't want to go up that way.
Nope. Christmas stuff.
Have a walker over here, but let me know too. All right, talk to you later.
Thing's heavier than it looks. Well.
What'd you find?
I have the crossings. I figured out that would be the one that we don't need it. No, strawberry. Who's this? Oh, you're fine.
Sorry, my bad.
You got more money in there. It is cute.
Fine China.
Oh, very awesome.
EAA.
Oh, you're fine. Look, that little pink bicycle.
You need it for you.
Can you come over here with mommy?
I think I'm ready.
Is this your stuff?
We're here.
Bring it over here.
Alright, I got you. Do y'all keep the totes?
This is a bunch of train stuff together. I'll dig it.
Just sit my stuff over there.
This is nice. You just have to give him just 11, 12, 13. How about 16? Is that you get this? That is.
16, let's do 20 even. How about that?
Oh, that'll work. Goes to a good cause.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank y'all. I would spend more time, but me and clothes, I can't look through clothes. I can't sit and look through clothes. It really does. I'll come back and grab that one. Yeah. I appreciate it. Ooh. All right, guys. Well, we just got done with that church rummage sale, and the prices are always interesting at places like that. But I ended up paying. They wanted $16 for all this stuff that I bought, but I gave them $20. But this little Disney train set, I have no idea what this is worth. By the way, a lot of these things, when you're doing these things and it's busy and there's a lot of stuff moving quickly, I just like to just pick stuff up that I think is good when I know it's going to be pretty cheap. So I don't really know what the comps are exactly at the moment on these things, but I did get this coach purse at JIT. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's got the tag. It feels like it's right. I've never actually sold a coach purse on eBay before, and there's a Dooney & Burke one. Not sure what the value is on that, but I know Dooney & Burke's pretty good, so I went ahead and picked it up. I also picked up these pair of shoes, these Nikes. They look like they were all right, 30 bucks. And then another train set down here, and then some of these boxes right here are full of little train things. I'm hoping they're worth it. My experience in the past is like HO scale stuff. The older train stuff is typically worth it to pick it up usually. So we'll see. I'm going to have to break into that stuff to see what exactly we got in here. Looks like some trains and some houses and I don't know, some other things. And then the big thing, and hopefully you guys can give me some advice, but I got 2 boxes of this Mary Kay stuff. I don't know. I looked it up, a couple of them, 20 bucks a pop or something on some of these things. And I say there's like boxes of them, of this stuff. Here's another one right here. And I also got this guy. This little mallet putter cover. Pittsburgh Penguins. Looks like it's a little bit crooked on there, but it should be like $10-15 for that. Yeah, the rest of this stuff in here, I did have a camera. I don't know where it's at, but there was a camera in here somewhere. I don't think it's gonna be worth a ton of money, that camera, so I don't know where it's at right now. But there's another box full of this Mary Kay stuff, and I hope that I can sell this on eBay with no problem. I mean, I see a bunch of stuff listed, but we'll see. Maybe I put together a big Mary Kay lot and just try to get rid of it really quickly without having any issues. All right, guys, well, it's a couple days later, and I finally got some of that church sale stuff. I got it out and starting to piece together what we have here. I'm going to see what works and what doesn't work. I'm not really sure what is worth, if anything, yet. We have 3 different types of trains here. Looks like we have this big Disney one with these 2 right here. Those do not fit on these tracks. These bigger ones back here don't fit on those tracks either. I'm not a toy train expert, just trying to piece this together. But these big ones do go with the Disney one. They don't have any tracks for this one. This one's an older one. It's 86 or something, 85. I'm going to test all these out. This one had batteries in it, and it beeps whenever you turn it on, but it doesn't do anything, so they must be dead. And have these over here. I'm not sure. I think these are bigger than HO scale. I think these are the next scale, this next size up, and these are the tracks that go with those. And then I have some other Scalanius. Now, this is an HO scale right here. This is a little bit smaller. This was in that box, random little things here. No idea if there's really any value to any of these little things, but I'm gonna look them up. I'll use the Google camera, see if I can't find some of these things. But anyway, I'm gonna start looking at these train pieces and parts and make sure that one works. And this one also has batteries too, so I need to pull it apart and test it. So I'll let you guys know next if they work and if they're even worth selling. All right, so after some research on all these items, looks like this Disney set, it works. I do not have the remote for it, so I can't test if it, well, I can't fully test it, obviously. I don't have the remote. So it's not really worth much. Probably gonna try to sell it for $20-25 without the remote. That's the best I can seem to do out of that. Plus it's gonna be big. It's kind of gonna be difficult to ship. I hope it's, I don't know, $25 plus shipping maybe. Hopefully I can get out of that. And then moving on to this bigger train right here, I could not get it to work at all. It's not responsive. It is a 1986 New Bright. If it were working with the carts and everything, I could probably get like 50 to 70 for it. Not working, I don't know, probably just like the other one, $20-25 plus the shipping. See if anybody bites on it, maybe reduce the price if it doesn't. Fortunately though, this one does work and it is going to be worth a little bit. All this comes with it. These tracks actually fit it. It's all from the 80s. I think they're 1989 on all those tracks. All these right here, they fit this little one and it does work. Chugging right along. This one's probably going to be, hopefully, I'm being hopeful here, like the $80 range. I'm thinking I can probably get for this 70, 80 since it works. And I don't know, I am missing something here, but it does work. And I do have all these little things. And I think I might include this with it. All these little things that I have over here for little train sets. Some of these are, this one right here said 1958 on it. Some of these were going for like $10 a piece, but I don't know. Just to help move the train set, I might try to put all this with it. I'm gonna look them all up individually to make sure there's like super bangers, but they're just set up. I looked up these couple things and they were worth a little bit. This is probably worth $10, I think. And that's gonna do it for the train. So they were let down overall. And this right here, this Dooney and Burke purse, this one should go for around 40. And this one right here, this coach one, I'm pretty sure that this will come off. I was messing with it earlier. I think that will come off. This should go for around 60. So those two right there, pretty decent little sales. I thought maybe the Dooney would be worth more than that, but is what it is. This camera that I picked up was really worth nothing. It's what, 15 bucks maybe, but you never know about digital cameras. And this Pittsburgh Penguins golf head cover for a mallet putter, it's in that $15 range is also. So overall, I got decent stuff, but nothing crazy good. And I decided not to list any of this Mary Kay. I am just going to figure out how to liquidate it some other way, because I'm not trying to get a cease or desist letter or whatever for trying to sell it on eBay. So if you guys know a good way to get rid of it, besides just selling it in yard sale or putting it on Facebook Marketplace, let me know in the comments, because I'm not going to list it. I don't think it's worth it, so I'm not going to roll the dice on those. But as always, guys, thank you for watching the video, and we'll see y'all in the next one.